All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of tonight's break number 4, which is one of the Gold Rush 8x10s. So we'll check the time, September 24th at 12:49 p.m. We're going to go over to the break and type live. We have September 24th at 12:49 p.m. There is the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. 10 times. Oops, here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Sherry. Spot 1 is your winner. So, Sherry, let me know if you want me to open that or send it to you sealed. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, September 24th, 12:50 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.